Hi guys, I hope this is actually recording. Sorry for being unprofessional there, but I hope this is actually recording. Now today I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm actually going to do a CMD tutorial. So yeah, this will be fun. So so the first thing I'm going to do is, on screen right now there's going to be a whole bunch of annotations, and you can click on that to go to different parts of the video. I hope I can get that working. If they aren't there, don't worry about it, so basically that'll just be different parts of the video. So what we're going to start with is just simply changing the color of your screen. Now a lot of people already know this one, but if you don't, you can watch it if you're interested. If you're not interested, just skip farther. This is just a basic CMD tutorial. So how do you change your color? All you do is type color, and then, so for, if you want it to be like Matrix, so basically green text, black background, you're going to type in 0A. Now to see all the different color options, you can type color. What I usually do is M. So color M. You can also do color question mark or something like that. Now you can see all of these. So now if I type in color, now the first letter or number I type is going to be the background color. The second letter or number is going to be my text color. So that's just a basic little tutorial. So for example, blue background, as you can see, so here's 1. So 1 is blue here. And I'll have a light red text. So that's going to be C. Just press enter. Blue background, light red text. Looks more like a purpley to me, but pink, purple, whatever. But my preference is this green. So you can play around with that if you want. Now, sorry, there's one thing I forgot to show you. If you're in Windows 7 or 8, all you do is press the Windows icon, type in CMD, and you just click on this. Now that is how it works for a lot of these things, but I think you can also go to Control Panel or something. I don't quite know that. It might be computer, but I'm not 100% sure. So sorry, I don't know how to open CMD on Windows Vista or XP, but I'm pretty sure it is the same. So let's get on with the tutorial. So type in CLS, and it will wipe your screen. So say, also, if you press colon and then whatever you type, it's not going to take it as a command. It's just going to leave it there. When you make a batch folder, that's a folder that CMD runs. So when you make a batch folder, you do colon game or whatever, and that will start a new section. That's basically what that does, but that will be in part 2. So I will actually make programs in part 2. This is just basic commands and fun things you can do to make your friends think that you're actually doing something, or that you are, or even if you are doing something, they'll think you're like a genius. It's kind of fun. So, so CLS will clear the screen there. Another command would be help, and this just shows you a whole bunch of different commands. Now this is quite fun, because you can just play around with it, but but before you try something, make sure if you do one of the things that does alter your computer, make sure you make a backup of that file that you're making. So basically, I can actually show you that now of how to make that, backup. Sorry. So basically, you just press CD, and that will show you. Okay, so basically, if you press dir, so dir. It stands for directory. Now it'll show you everywhere you can go from here. Now I'm gonna go to users just because that's what I usually go to here. So I'm now in the users folder. I'm just gonna press dir again. So I'm gonna keep typing dir until I'm in the folder desired. So, oops, sorry. Yeah, you have to say cd before you type in the folder that you are doing. So I'm just gonna do dir again. Now I have all these different things. I'm gonna do desktop here. So I'm just going to type in CD desktop. Now, so a simple command to get rid of all that is you just do cd c:\\, and that will just clean up all this stuff without having to do cd dot dot, and that just goes back 1. So if you see, I do cd users, and then I do cd and then another folder, then I do cd dot dot, and that will just go back 1. So that's how you do that. Also, what you can do is you can go multiple folders at once by putting a slash in between. Now, I found it doesn't matter which kind of slash, backslash or forward slash, but any slash should do. So I'm just trying to find a folder here. So let's say I'll copy my lazy cleanup folder. So you just do x copy lazy cleanup. Now, I'm going to be honest, I've never actually done that command before, I'm just checking it. So it says 0 files copied, so dir now. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. I think you have to put in, you know what, sorry, I showed you a command and I have no idea what it does. Apologize for that. But I would suggest, making a copy of a folder or a backup of a folder before you modify it. So you can see all this. So mkdir will make a directory. So I'm on my desktop right now. So that's just, sorry. So that's just this. So basically I'm looking at this through the command prompt. So if I type in make dir, so that's mkdir, so that stands for make directory. You can probably figure that out, but just in case you couldn't, sorry. So, and then you basically type the name of your command, of your folder, and now if I press dir, that folder is now right there. And I can enter that folder, just with the same ced command. And now you can see I have a folder named hello on my desktop. So basically that's how you do that. Now, I'm trying to remember, there's another command I was going to show you. Oh, right. No. Oh, right. Okay, so if you want to change what, if you want to change what it says up here, then you can actually type in title. Sorry. Nope. Title, and then type in whatever you want to say. So I'm going to say YouTube, so I'm going to say CMD YouTube tutorial. And see, it changed it to say CMD YouTube tutorial. Now if you want to change this, you can type in prompt, and then say like insert command here, and have like semicolons and a space or something. And so now instead of saying in the directory, it's saying whatever I put there. So I can say prompt again. If you just type in prompt, it will reset it back to the original. So I can do prompt hello. That works too. If you want to get rid of that little prompt altogether, you can type in @echo off. But that will make it so that for all of your commands, it won't show the command. So you use that in batch files. So see how here, I'll show you this. So I'm going to do echo hi. So it's basically saying hi. Oh, it doesn't show it. Never mind. Sorry. So basically, yeah, you can see that in the next tutorial. I'll show you that in the next tutorial. What we will be making is basically the matrix. So that will be we'll be showing you how to make this. So it's just a whole bunch of randomized numbers. Now, don't worry. This will not hurt your computer. If anything, it will actually make it run smoother because it's getting your CPU juices running for lack of, sorry. So it's basically just a pile of random numbers, and if you click on this little scroll thing, then you can see all of them. But if you let go and click for even a millisecond, all of those numbers are going to be completely different. Simply because it's doing is showing a whole bunch of random numbers. So that's going to be in the next tutorial. So this has been tutorial 1. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but if I am, I'll show you in the next video, which will hopefully actually be in an hour because I have nothing better to do. Yeah, nothing better to do. That should be uploaded in about an hour. Yeah. So, bye. Oops. Yeah. Bye. Oh, that's what I forgot to show you. Of course. Right. It's funny. So also you can run 2 commands. So basically, if I say this CLS, so that clears the screen. You type in and then type in another command. So echo will basically say a command. Now it's usually only helpful in batch files because when I just say it here, when I just say it here, it still appears above it, and then it just says hi underneath, or whatever you type there. But if you do CLS and echo, now that will also work with single and, but 2 ands is better habit because some commands won't function if you only put 1 and. For some reason, I don't know why. So now if I say clear the screen and echo hi, what it's going to do is it runs them in order. So it's going to clear this. So it's going to clear what I have here. Oops, sorry. It's going to clear this command, and then it's going to run this command to say hi. So it basically just says hi, and then after the command's done, it reopens this. So, yeah, that is tutorial number 1. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna make like a funny little. Okay, whatever. Just tutorial 1 complete. Of course. Okay. See ya in the next video. Like, comment, favorite, subscribe. I'm really bad at these videos. Sorry for that. Bye.